Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can translate message on Telegram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Telegram application, and if we want to translate message on Telegram, we need to activate translate menu. To activate the translate menu, you can go to your Telegram setting by clicking on the three lines on the top left, and then you're gonna go to the setting here. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the language setting. Tap on that and you have to activate this feature, show translate button. You just need to click on this toggle button to activate the translate button. Okay, and then now it's time to translate message. I'm just going to open up my group chat on Telegram, and for instance, I'm going to translate this message. We can right click and wait, okay, and then these options will appear, and then we just need to click on translate to translate this message. Okay, and then just hold on, it's still loading. All right, and this is the English translation of this message. If you want to change the target language, you just need to go back to the language setting here, and then you can choose the language you want to translate the message to. For example, I'm going to choose Indonesian. Okay, and hold on. And okay, this is the translation, Indonesian translation of this message. Okay guys, and that's all the way to translate message on Telegram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.